Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna do a video on my fireworks
This is our
so far.
I am just
I'm so happy I haven't
of this video today. So these are fireworks this year. We've done some fireworks collection last year, but
also we do this thing called a yes day. Yeah, so we might get some more in the evening because Trago shuts at 8. So the first, I'm actually going to show you, Charlie, show you my rockets I've got.
These are the Heat Seeker rocket pack. This is probably one of the best brands ever, made by Skycrafter.
Well, they're not the best, but they're quite good.
Would you say TNT?
These are quite, yeah, TNT is good.
You've also got Bright Star fireworks, but they're like super.
And standard are really good, but yeah,
this year
100 gram of rockets, which is quite good for £8 for a pack of 5. But they do a lot because they're like one massive rocket. So yeah, so there's some rockets.
There's like 5 of them, aren't there?
But
we're not old enough to
300 shot cake, this super missile. If I try and get a bird's eye view, you might see TNT on it. Maybe.
There is the logo TNT there.
If I turn it around, because it's... Yeah. There you go. So it's a 300 shot missile cake. I recommend getting it. It's got a picture. That is what it does. I've saw about my hand, I've just been painting. Charlie, put the fireworks back.
No, and you know, just turn it your camera. So
so next, that's the cake.
That is 300 shots.
The next one is a TNT. There, massive attack. Noise medium. You have to be at least 8 meters away. Yeah, massive attack as well. 13 shot, but they're big. They're like the same as these, just in tubes. So I got 3 of those. Then one Monkey Mayhem. There's, believe. Well, in this one, it doesn't actually say. Oh, there it does. There is 61 grams.
61 grams of gunpowder.
Yep, on this one, the massive attack, there is, where does it say?
You see these are the circular bits. Does it say on there?
Might have to...
But this is the TNTs. They're quite good TNTs.
They are a Cat F2, 8 meters away. Weight of this thing is 107.75 grams. So
that's well
decent. That's all 3 massive attacks.
And then we've got
Monkey Mayhem, which is a blimmin' nightmare.
This one's
it's brilliant, it's amazing, guys.
It's probably the best one you can get from Skycrafter. Not all the stuff Skycrafter does that good because we've watched videos, we've watched YouTube videos to see what ones are the best.
Fires in to call it capsules is bigger than the other, and it says NEC 146.4 grams, which is brilliant. This one's a battery of shot tube. So there's shot tubes in it, but it's a Cat F2 again.
This probably is.
That's what it does.
The best firework brand to
they are massive.
Our personal point of view is Bright Star. Really, we should get hold of a catalogue for the TNT fireworks.
So we will be getting hopefully some more in the week with the Yes Day coming up. So 1 Monkey Mayhem, 3 massive attacks, 1 super missile cake, 300 shots, and 100 gram rockets.
That is the TNT logo.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And bye.
Bye for now.